What's up, guys? It's Luis back at it with another unboxing. This time I'll be unboxing another shoe from, I believe, StockX. I'm not sure, I can't remember. But yeah, let's get right into it. Looks like it's Air Jordan 1. Yep, it's gonna be an Air Jordan 1. Maybe move the camera close. It'll take a while. Great. Alright, there you go. Throw this box the fuck out. Oh, it looks like the seller actually did pretty good. Put some air pockets in there. You know what we do with these. Yeah. Anyways, here you go. Air Jordan 1 box. I believe these are the. Let me go a little bit closer. There we go. Just typical Air Jordan. Everyone gets bored with this box, but that's how they come now. So many Air Jordans we've been having dropped on us. I can't even keep up with them anymore. There's the tag. Air Jordan 1 High OG Quai 54 Black Italy blue. These are the Quai 54 Air Jordan 1s. They're Europe exclusive, but they release anyways in US, so they're not really exclusive. I got these for $200, and they're I think they were $190, $160, I believe. Let's see, what's StockX? No one cares. I got a StockX sticker, hella gay. You can tell. There we go. Oof. These were slept too. This here, really nice shoe. I would say another slept on ones that should have made it to a lot of other people's top ones. There we go. Let me move it. You can see it's all black and it has red right here, red on right here. On the bottom you got the red. This short suede, but really good quality. You can tell it's just like in Louis on. All the suede goes to the tongue. You can see you got a blue basketball logo there. Laces are black. Medial side, you get the same thing as the outside of the shoe. You got the red. Inside, you got nothing, but just black suede still going down. It becomes this foam material. Inside, you get the blue insole with the red basketball. On the back, you get the red and black and blue stripes there. Really nice shoe. And yes, the other shoe is different, which is gonna be blue with, and then it comes with 2 more laces, so extra laces for that. You got blue on the bottom, blue right here, blue right there. You got the Air Jordan right there. Back, same thing as the other one. Really nice shoe. Slept on again. You got the red tagging on the front of the tongue. My bad. And you got red insert with blue basketball. And these are size 10, obviously. Nice suede. You can tell right here. Goes all the way up again. You get the verified StockX, so no one cares. So I got these for $200. It's pretty good. They were going for like $250, something around there, but the price dropped, so I copped when I could. Happy with this purchase. This is a really slept on shoe here. Everyone was hyped when they were released because they were a little bit limited. They were only Europe release, and then they released them to USA, and everyone just started not caring because they weren't limited anymore. So yeah, really nice shoe. I really like it. Inside the box is nothing. That's just that sticker. And the thing has a stamp inside the lid. So I'll give you a quick detail view. You can tell. Let's see, the leather is kind of not soft at all. It's like typical Air Jordan 1 quality. I like what kind of leather? Like 2013 leather, almost. Like plastic leather. But yeah, it's really nice. Same on this one. I'll give you a 360 view real fast. Oh, and the laces have that blue, black, and red, just like the back. Okay. Really quick 360 view for you guys. Same shoe, different colors, just opposite of what it is. Blue, black, blue, red. Really nice shoe. The concept was like the SBs, Air Jordan 1s, the Lance Mountain, and like the top threes. Like almost, it's like a inspiration, I guess. But these are pretty nice with black. Alright guys, I'll see you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.